Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. A dream that we have yet to see, a heartbeat that's full of magic, a soul that's born to be free. Save that precious thing, the girl, protect her name, for she and hope are just same. Greetings you a very warm morning to one and all present over here. Honorable Principal Ma'am, respected all the teachers and my dear, all beloved schoolmates. I, Deva Fariha, student from 11th Science, standing before you to speak a few words on the topic Save Girl Child. Actually, it's about girls' life. But before starting it, I want to ask our all Indian girls, are you truly saved? Nowadays, we often hear and aware of the slogan like Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao given by the great PM Modi. But the question arises to my core, what is the need to save their daughters? Are they in danger? If yes, then why can't we stop it? If no, then why this campaign has begun? A girl plays several roles in our life. She may be a daughter, a mother, a wife, a daughter-in-law, but she is a life giver, a homemaker, a world creator, yet her plight is pathetic. It is amazing that we say we are living in 21st century, calling it a modern era, but still today, a woman is not given the respect she deserves. We say we are living in 21st century, calling it a modern era, but still today we are bounded with so many negative thoughts about girls. We say we are living in 21st century, calling it a modern era, but still today birth of a girl is accepted, but birth of a boy is celebrated. We say we are living in 21st century, calling it a modern era, but still today a girl is stopped in every way to speak properly, work properly, behave properly, but a boy can do anything and everything. We say we are living in 21st century, calling it a modern era, but still today, being to be raped is more shameful than to be a rapist. Our newspapers are full of such news. Yesterday night, a girl was raped by 6 men. People say the guilty is the girl also because she went out at night, though she knows she was a girl. But people don't say why the boys were raped her and why they went out at night, though they know they were boys. From here, one lesson we learned, that move out at night is allowed for only boys, not for the girls. Only a few days ago, we have celebrated our 77th Independence Day, right? But still today, a girl is married at her early age and after that she is tortured, murdered, suicide, everything. To prevent the attempts like this, our government has begun the campaign Save Girl Child. It was first started by Haryana government due to low female-male proportion in 12 districts of the state. It has some provisions like right to education to the girls, changing of mindset of people against girls and everything. I heard a sound every day that to treat every girl, we often say, अरे ये तो बहुत छोटी है, मोटी है, पतली है, काली है, शादी कर ले तो बच्चे की बारी है और ना करे तो समाज पर भोज की बारी है, कमाए तो सिनर ना कमाए तो गोल्ड डिगर, रोए तो विक्टिम ना रोए तो फेमिनिस्ट, उंगली उठाए तो बेशरम और ना उठा पाए तो बेजुबान, पूरी बाजू पहन ले तो बहनजी और ना पहने तो पूरी गंदी, रोए तो विक्टिम ना रोए तो फेमिनिस्ट, किसी की बीबी है, बेटी है, माँ है, दादी है, नानी है, तस्वीर है, बस अपनी नहीं है. Treating a girl like this, you people are killing a life. Do you know an emotionally unsound girl is better dead, but everyone not. And girls, you shouldn't be, because you are not a weak, not a queen. You are an angel. So all people, let's join all hands together and treat every gender equally. And Save Girl Child shouldn't be a slogan of the government, right? It should be work to the entire nation. So to conclude, lastly, I want to say to our Indian girls again that you are not a weak, not a queen. You are an angel. As translated, क्योंकि तुम अबला नहीं हो, रानी नहीं हो, तुम अप्सरा हो. Thank you.